What's up you guys, Jay here. In this video I'm going to show you this brand new website that I've been using to post unlimited ads every single day to generate my first $1,020 online in sales. Now what's fantastic about this website, it caters for any category and niche that you can think of. Pets and care, automobiles, community, for sale, jobs, health and lifestyle, property and real estate, electronics and technology, education, and other services as well. This website will allow you to post ads and get free traffic every single day. You don't even need to register. I'm also going to show you a second website to double up your traffic using 15 of these websites that will allow you to post all of these unlimited ads. I'm going to show you exactly what I did, all my tips, secrets, and tricks so that you can hopefully do this as well and make some money online and make your first $1,000 online. If you want to know more about what I do full-time off of YouTube to earn a full-time income outside of YouTube, you can come over to the first link in the description. You'll be able to see more in-depth information about my 6-figure drop servicing university program, which you can go and watch over here. So if you want to get that, go down below to the first link in the description. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram over here if you have any questions or just want to chat to me in general. I'm open to my DMs. I'm also going to be doing an epic giveaway at the end of this video, just as a thank you to you guys for showing support on this channel. I've been getting tons of recent support and I really appreciate that. And also, I just ask you guys to please smash the like button down below. It really helps me out and pumps me up to bring out epic content like this for you guys on a daily basis. And also make sure you subscribe down below with the red notification bell so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value-packed video just like this one. But without further ado, we're going to hop straight into my laptop over here. So when you talk about free classified ads, you can post about anything. You can promote anything in any specific niche. You can promote any product or service that you can think of. Now, for those of you that don't have a ready for you product or service to go and promote, you can go and get a done for you service to go and promote. So take a look at the services section, for example. You've got computer web, counter postal services, car, taxi services, banking and finance, insurance, help, writing and editing and translation, other services as well. You can also go and sell products, for example, CDs, clothes, computer parts, you name it. Also pets and care, which is a good niche that I recommend. But let me use the two examples of pets and care and services, which is the example I've been using to make money with this. So for those of you that don't know, there's a website out there called Fiverr.com, which is a freelance marketplace where you can hire experts to literally do any service for you in the world at such a low fee. So you can come over to the search bar over here, and if we go and search, for example, web and software services, we can come over to the explore page, the website design on popular underneath over here. Sorry, not the explore page. And you can actually go and find people on Fiverr that do web design and software services. Let me just quickly change this to USD. My default currency is in ZAR. And over here you can see is a guy that will design a WordPress website for you at just $30. Here's another guy who will design a creative and unique website for just $20, $10, $5, $20, $50, $10. So there's basically nothing more than $50. To have someone design a website for you for less than $50 is nearly unheard of these days. Companies in my local area charge well over $2,000 for these kind of projects. So you can go and outsource these freelancers on Fiverr.com on free classified ad websites and make huge markup. You don't need to do these services yourself. You don't need to design these websites for yourself. You've got people working for you, and you just need to transfer the work from your service provider on Fiverr to your client, which maybe takes 5 minutes of work, and you can make up to 800% profit doing this. So for example, if we come over to Class Ties over here and we click on web and software over here, here's an example of a company that designs cleaning and laundry apps and charges $400 for that. So let's go and take this mobile app development. So let's come back to Fiverr and let's actually go over to programming tech mobile apps over here. So just take note, these people charge $400 to design an app. People on Fiverr will charge you $50, $20, $25, $50, $5 to do the same thing. They will design any app that you can think of. This person will develop hybrid mobile apps for iOS and Android as well. So what you can go and do is come over to this website over here, classties.com, click on post free ads. I'm just going to open this up in a new tab, and you want to go and post this Fiverr service on Class Ties, which is this website over here. We're going to get sales at a markup. When we get an order on Class Ties, we come over to Fiverr, place the order. Remember, our client has already paid us off of Class Ties, for example, $300 for our app. We take $50 from that $300 and keep $250 in our pocket. and this person on Fiverr does all of the hard work. It's an amazing concept called drop servicing. So just choose your country over here, just choose United States. It actually doesn't matter where you're from, simply because it's a digital service. You don't have to deliver anything. Just choose a random location and a random city and select a random category. Go and select your category, and your subcategory needs to be computer, web, and software. So now that you've got this sorted, I do suggest go and create as many ads as possible in all the different cities and states in the United States. For the listing type you want to be offering over here, for your ad title, you can actually just come back to Fiverr.com over here. We can copy the title of this person on Fiverr over here, come back to our post, paste this over here, and just put a little description of the detail. We can actually go and copy, for example, this entire description over here. This works as the description for our gig on class ties over here. Paste this just like this. For our listing price, I would suggest go and do about 200 to 300% markup. So I'm going to go do $190, for example. And for our contact number, you can put your contact number. I wouldn't recommend put a number, but for your contact email, just put your email address, which you'll obviously put if it's at gmail.com. You can put your website if you want to as well. For your website, if you have a website, put your link. If you don't, I recommend go and create a website like this where you can actually go and sell your service. So since we're doing app hosting, here's a good example over here of 3 different packages that you can sell through Fiverr: basic, standard, premium, basic, standard, premium. So over here, you can see the different specs or what is included in your app you want to have listed under each package. I'm going to show you a tool that you can actually go and get for just $1 to actually design a website like this and sell your service online as well. Why I recommend do this is because instead of people having to reach out to you on classties.com through your ad, you can actually have them pay for your service directly through your website, which you then know you need to transfer from Fiverr to your client from there after you get that order. So in order to create a website like this, you can come over to this tool over here called Builderall. Now Builderall is a tool or a funnel builder that you can use to sell and provide services or products online and make money through e-commerce. So if you want to go and get this tool for $1, I think it's currently at $69 per month. It's much cheaper than that of Kartra or ClickFunnels, and it actually has way more than both of those tools. You can actually go and get it for just $1 at the first link in the description. You'll see somewhere in the description that says Builderall discount or something like that. Go and claim that down below. It's only a once-off time thing. And once you've done that, you want to come over to the funnel builder over here. So click on apps over here, click on funnel builder. It's going to open this up in a new tab. On the next page, click on create a new funnel. Just type in your title. So we want to go, for example, mobile app dev funnel. For your theme, I recommend go and choose the app funnel, which is a funnel actually used to sell apps. So the mobile app theme funnel will already be created for you. You can close these tabs, click on start the funnel. I recommend come over to blueprints over here. You obviously want to get sales. So you want to click on the sales process. Over here, you will see different funnels. I'm just going to wait for these thumbnails to load up. I recommend go and choose the tripwire funnel over here, which is one of the best funnels that you can use to go and get multiple sales from your lead at the same time. So firstly, you've got a squeeze page, which is an area or a page that your lead lands onto where you collect their name and email on an email subscriber list to send them out information in the future, which could turn and result in more sales. So over here, you've got from there, once they enter their name, a video sales page, which actually sells your specific service, that being your app service. If they want to buy that, they go to the checkout page, they check out, and then after that checkout, it takes them to another one-time offer page, which is like a one-time feature only included today for like 90% off, for example, which will be the standard package where you're going to upsell them with a Firebase or any other APIs as well included in their app, which will be in this one-time offer page over here. Once they check out with that, they're going to be prompted with a third sales page called the downsell page, which is going to sell the premium package where they also get free app submission and an ad network integration where we can actually go and make 3 sales off of them at the same time. So here you will see you've got the downsell page, the checkout, and the offerable page. Let's click on generate website once this is ready. So let's just give this a couple of seconds and your website is ready to go. Once your website has been generated, you're going to be prompted with all your pages over here in your funnel. You've got your squeeze page, your video sales page, your checkout to that, the one-time offer, your downsell page, and then your offer wall page over here. So let's go and edit the squeeze page to start off with. And I'm going to show you a brief way on how you can go and edit this. Over here you can see is the done for you landing page that you can use to go and collect their email. The reason you want to do this is because you want to keep all the leads that you get off classsize.com where you're posting your new ad. You want to collect them into a loyal email subscriber list so that you can reach out to them whenever you want to, and kind of maybe if they're not interested in your service now, but get them to buy your service later on so you can turn traffic, not now, but into sales down the line. So you just want to go and change your title over here, and you want to say, and you want to type grab free app templates, for example, because in order to get a lead's email or name, you need to give them something in return. I'm just going to delete the subheading over here, and this is now done. So you can go and click on save over here, and you will see it will then give you your link to this page, which you're going to go and put as the website provided. So now when you post your ad, people will see the link to your website. They're going to go and click on that, which is then the link to your funnel. So just click on that's fine over here on this page where you've created your website. And over here is the link to your website. So just copy this, right click, copy, come over to ClassTiles, paste your website over here and put your email over there. For the picture, you can actually come over to Fiverr and just save, for example, a picture like this, for example, of this app. So you can just go right click, open image in new tab and save this to your PC, just like this. Come back to ClassTiles, choose file over here, double click that same image, click on I accept the terms and conditions and go and post your free ad over here. Now you can go and do this unlimited times, and I also recommend go and repeat this process on another website called adpost.com. If you come over to mobilemonkey/blog/free advertising sites, you will find 15 best free advertising website for business owners and marketers. So this is an entire concept called drop servicing, which is basically this over here, except in this program, I teach you to scale to well over $200,000 a year with my one-on-one help with unlimited lifetime access for a one-time fee. So there's no monthly fees, no monthly debit orders, or anything like that. It's a one-time fee and you get lifetime access to this program. And there's also tons of other students over here. There's my best students are making about 15K a month doing this. So if you want to get all of this at just $397, it's marked down currently about 80%. You can use this coupon on the screen over here, or it will already be applied on the link down below in the description. You can go and click on that and you can go and claim all of that down below over there. But without further ado, guys, I did say I would announce a giveaway in this video. So if you want to stand the chance to win $30 to your PayPal account or Bitcoin wallet, if you don't have PayPal, all you need to do is leave a like on this video, comment down below that you've done so and that you're ready and that you watched this video. Subscribe with the red notification bell on. I can see if you've done all three of these. In tomorrow's video, I will announce the winner by popping up a lucky winner on the screen. So without further ado, take care and make sure to stay tuned for tomorrow's video.